Morning, ma'am.
So today we'll be having the private conference for the projects. What's this? For the project 25P0044, the proposed construction of access road and of weighbridge platform and single-story weighbridge station and quarters with roof deck, and 25GP00137, the procurement of materials for the supply of roadway street lighting along National Road to Babenguet in relation to construction project management. So may I ask the head of the TWG for the roll call of attendees, please?
Roll call of attendance. We have Sir Rex B. Paderes, our chairperson, joining by Zoom. We have our vice chairperson, si Ma'am Nelia A. Antonio, also joining via Zoom.
Here.
We have Sir Arnold O. Dakwag, regular member, also joining via Zoom. And we have also Ma'am Carmen C. Lardizabal, provisional member for goods and services. And yours truly, the head of the BAC Technical Working Group. And we have also Sir Mark Joseph Falinaw, BAC Secretariat.
Present, sir.
Do we have any attendees, prospective bidders?
We have also a representative bidder, Ma'am Roslyn Bulawi of Rough Road Construction. Good morning.
Okay, so since we have a quorum, may we have the secretariat to flash the project details and the instruction to bidders?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Mm. Okay. So are there any questions, issues for clarification from the prospective bidder?
Wala daw po, ma'am.
Wala po raw.
Wala. So there being none, let us proceed to the next agenda for the pre-procurement,
Okay.
pwede na pong umalis mamaya. So let's proceed to the pre-procurement conference for RFQ number 25 GP00145 for the procurement of security services for 3 shifts per day, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. first shift, 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. second shift, and 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. third shift of DPW's Regional Office, NTC Cottages, DPWH Area Equipment Services, and one shift 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. for gate guard, head guard, and supervisor for 12 months. That's from January 1st, 2026 to December 31, 2026 in relation to administrative overhead. So we have the same back members.